everyone, I'm going to show you how to make this really cute penguin. All you need today is a piece of white paper, a black crayon, an orange crayon, and I use this color blue, but you could really use any color you want, any color blue that you want. This is what I used today. So first, look how cute he is. He looks so happy. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw the number 8. So, you go this way, and then you have a number 8. Now I'm going to keep going around it because I want mine to get, going over a lump there. I want mine to get thicker around the bottom here because he's going to be a little bit of a pudgy penguin. So I'm going to color him in, make his lines really dark. Fill all this in. I need to get my more pointy one. Okay. Been coloring a lot today. I'm going to color all of this in. Go back up and around. Really fill this in so he has like a nice white patch here on his body. Okay, then for his head, I'm going to do sort of the same thing. I'm going to fill all this in. What am I on right there? I think it's, oh, I see what it is. Okay, so we're going to go around and around here, but I'm going to draw this circle because that's about where I want his eye to be, and I can fill in all the rest of this. Fill in all the rest like this. He's starting to look like a little penguin. He's going to be super cute when he's done. And I'm going to give him a pupil. I want this to be a little bit fatter still, so I'm going to go and be a well-fed penguin. I was going to say pumpkin. We're getting there. So add a little eye there for him. I saw a picture of this on, I think on Pinterest. I thought, oh, this is perfect for us. I'm going to make a little triangle up here with the orange crayon for his beak. And at the bottom, move them up a little bit so you can see, I'm going to add feet by drawing, they're like ovals, and I'll fill those in. Those will be his feet on the bottom. And then I also want to add in his flippers, his little wings for his arms. These are more like, what are we going to call this shape? Like that. So we're going to color all that in again. It's fun because you get to really use your crayon well on this one. Really color it all in. And there you have it. A penguin. Isn't he cute? And then with the blue crayon, I want to give him a little bit of an iceberg to stand on the bottom. And then color in some sky around him. Because where it is, it's cold, but there's probably a lot of sun. And when you're done here drawing this, go find out, where do penguins live? We can see them in zoos a lot around here. But where would you need to go in order to see a penguin living in the wild? And there you have it, a really cute little penguin. All right, see you later, everybody. Bye.